Yesterday I turned 30 and I had a lot of time to do soul searching and look at my life up until now. 30, that's a big number, that's scary. And I think I've accomplished many things that I wanted until now, but there are also a lot of things that are missing from my personality. Maybe I feel, not maybe, I feel like sometimes when I take photos outside, I want to be less shy and I want to just feel more comfortable doing my street photography. And the content that I'm watching a lot on YouTube are the ones that involve interaction between the photographer and the subject that he's photographing. My most favorite things to photographs are macro photography, flowers, things that separate me from the environment. But a day before I turned 30, like 2 days ago, I decided that I have to do something different. I have to be out of my comfort zone and try something new. I wanted to do this for a long time. I talk about it in my members live that I do. I wanted to do portraits, like go to someone on the street and ask them to take their portraits. Not no more behind the tree, like hiding and take a secretly photo of a natural portraits, which I also like, and it's another street photography version that you can take. But I wanted specifically to go to someone on the street, not be scared, not be shy too much, and ask them to do portraits. I did a lot of portraits for clients, for dentists and people like doctors and one author. That's okay because they paid me and they want this job, but it's really different to go to someone out on the streets and bug him like that. Maybe that's because I don't want them to feel uncomfortable. I don't know, maybe that's something psychological that I have with me. But anyway, I decided that I want to do that before I'm turning 30. A day before my birthday, I went outside with my Canon. This is my Leica, but I took my Canon because it's maybe more suitable for portraits. This is a 28mm focal length. I wanted a closer focal length. And I started asking. I think I want to share with you that experience because it was, first of all, very, very, very hard for me. It took me a lot of time of just wandering around, walking around the people that I wanted to talk about, being kind of a creep before I managed to ask them. And lucky enough, the first couple, it was a couple that I asked to take their portraits. Actually, it's interesting why I chose a couple. I don't know why. Maybe I felt more comfortable because we're making this conversation as a group. Anyway, I asked them. They were super, super nice and polite and let me take the photo. They were happy with the result. I sent it to them. And it was a very nice experience. And after that, I felt like something open inside of me and I just wanted to do more. I looked at the video later. I used my Insta360 on my body to film that. And I heard myself afterwards. I was so nervous, sorry. And I felt so uncomfortable. I was swallowing my words more than usual. And I think they got I saw their reaction. I saw that they maybe felt a little bit uncomfortable because the way I felt. So a day after that, on my birthday, I was trying to just give it a little bit of different approach. After I did a couple of photos in the day before. Some of them I didn't really like, and maybe I didn't thought about the lighting so well. I just liked some photos and didn't like my conversation with the people afterwards. So I figured, new day, that's my birthday. Let's do one good portrait today with a clean, relaxed vibe. So it is Easter. Yesterday it happens to be on the same day, and I saw those five, I think, very beautiful Indian ladies, and they celebrated Easter. I took their portraits. They were very, very happy that I was there and offered that to take their photo. They felt very comfortable in front of the camera, and I don't know, maybe I felt like I'm more aware of the fact that I'm filming right now, so I have to be more relaxed. I don't think I was as relaxed and as well spoken as I wanted to, but again, English is not my native language, and another excuse is that I want to just put out there, but I won't. And at the end of the day, I feel like I have accomplished the biggest thing in my photography world in a personal matter. I feel like I went super out of my comfort zone. I took their portraits, I took other people's portraits. It just, I want to do this more. I'm not going to stop taking photos of other things that interest me, of course. And I feel like every other week I just change my mind and I flip my thinking process about this journey. But this is so beautiful because photography, actually, it's not anymore just for the photos for me. It's pushing my personality to be better in terms that I want to get better at. I feel I'm not a shy person, but I don't want to interrupt people. I still don't want to interrupt them, but I feel like maybe the connection with people, like I do here on YouTube with you in the comments, is something that develops me and develop my confidence. And you know, I also asked this two persons yesterday, and they said no, they don't want to take photos, and nothing happened. The world continued to exist. I didn't feel bad. I didn't feel bad that they turned me down. I actually felt like, okay, so I can do this. I can ask. I can get rejected, and everything will be okay. And I'm just very, very happy that I did this before I turned 30, and I feel like maybe I opened something new for my photography journey. And I don't know where this will go. I feel like maybe if you feel uncomfortable doing something specific, that's true not only to photography, but if we're just talking here, if you feel uncomfortable doing something but you like that something, you should give it a try. I feel like I'm so happy that I did that, and it just made me feel so much better. That's it for today. Please tell me in the comments what you think about photographing people on the street like that. Ask them, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in the next video.